inspired by the movie title Finding Funny. Just that the director and I have a liking for F words. Well, what's so funny about life? Absolutely, I have no idea. But all I know, life is funny. Sometimes aimless, directionless, hopeless. What if I had to define such life? Fellow Toastmasters, distinguished guests, and my dear friends, greetings. Mathematically speaking, life is like a variable, which is invariably hard to define. The more you define, the more you are bound to make fun of yourself. Fun, by all means, is inevitable in your life, and so is fighting funny. Fancy title, Fighting Funny, huh? Generally comes from not so fancy situations. So here I am today, standing in front of you, sharing not so fancy situations of my life that made me believe that I can fight funny. Scene 1, what's funny? Episode Funny Parents. My parents were elated to look at me shaking the bones off my ground since the time I turned 4. They struggled to name the act that I was doing over and over again. So I christened it all by myself. Dance. Dance has been an integral part of my life since I knew crawling and the Dalil Mehendi. I still remember that day. My father was so happy all over the place when I made it to the big stage for the first time in my 2nd class. I made sure I carried the awesomeness all the way through. From relatives' houses, to marriages, to temples, to roads, to graveyards. I'm kidding, not the graveyards. Dance was actually becoming my life. And my parents have been supportive all the way until that one day. 6th class results. Life dawned upon my dad. He started believing that something is going wrong with this guy. And he believed firmly that my bone shaking has to do something to shake away my percentages too. That is it. What happened after that is actually history. I stayed with my grandparents for 10 years before joining NFI. Technically, I got kicked out of my house. Funny parents. What they liked once is what they hated later. Well, funny parents implies funny kids. That brings me to the next episode, Funny Me. Take this bragging for a while. I joined Toastmasters in December 2011 and I've been on an impressive run since then. 3 speeches in 5 months, yeah, that's impressive. Runners-up in icebreaker contest, designing posters, danced in the area and division contest, nothing less than grandeur. Until I gave my 4th speech, which was aptly titled Humiliation. The story dates back to September 2012, a humorous speech contest. Weeks of redrafts and trials, all thanks to my mentor, dear Taskin. She was so generous that even on the contest day, she was sitting right in front of me, encouraging me. And she was laughing for every time, even before I completed the joke. With so many likes on my side, I still couldn't make a podium finish on that day. Then, the time life dawned upon me. It has been 2 years since then, I didn't draft a single speech. All thanks to my EGO, my ego of not winning that day. Funny me. But it doesn't end there. I fought it all the way to glory. Scene 2, Fighting Funny. Episode, Fighting Funny Parents. Like any other kid, I started lying about dancing. I never told anybody what I was doing. But then one day, I wouldn't get rid of this guilt and I decided, this is it. I'm not going to lie anymore. And I told to myself, I am not going to tell anything about everything that I do. And then the glory began. I danced like always wanted. And Infi, it just made me all the more, it just made it all the more fun. I found people of my clan, of my kind here. So dancing, solved. Fought, funny, parents. Fighting episode, funny me. It was not easy. If ego actually closed my doors for speaking, but it left the leadership track wide open. Consider the next statements, consider following statements without any logical sequence. I was a vice president public relations for a year, and then in the due course, people left for their MBA. And then I became an associate president, eventually became a president of the club, and then few more people left for MBA. But then, at the end of it all, now I am the immediate past president, and I proudly tell myself that I am an MBA inspirant, not an aspirant. Or jokes apart, on a serious note, as I'm delivering this speech today, I have taken this guts and I broke these shackles after 2 long years to draft the speech. So fought, funny, me. My dear fellow humans, the world is cruel. What you do, what you like to do, comma, what you actually want to, what you actually do, might not be ever be the same. Funny, isn't it? So fight your funny. My ultimate suggestion to everybody is fight your funny. And then eat some honey. Watch Bugs Bunny. Because it's sunny. I know. I was just showing off that I can rhyme. Ladies and gentlemen, fighting funny is the ultimate phenomenon of life. Just that how it worked for me, it might work for you as well.